Viewers, the ecosystem that was batting for rights for illegals is now demanding that we should negotiate with infiltrators. Negotiate. This mindset in the name of human rights reeks of an agenda that prioritizes foreign lawbreakers over Indian citizens. Why should our forces tasked with protecting our borders negotiate with those who violate our laws? Viewers, this is the same ecosystem, you would remember, that demands dialogue with Maoists while they ambush our Jawans, romanticizing lawlessness, anarchy under the guise of compassion. Saida Hamid's comment that Bangladeshi infiltrators should have a right to India's resources ignores the undeniable truth, which is illegal immigration strains our economy, burdens our infrastructure, erodes the rights of Indian citizens to jobs, land, security. Because this so-called human rights lobby seems to thrive on selective outrage. I'll tell you why. Where is their concern for the indigenous Assamese people whose identity Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma says is on the brink of extinction due to decades of unchecked migration? They will not talk about it. Where is their advocacy for our soldiers martyred defending our borders or the citizens displaced by the encroachers? No comment, no campaign. Listen to what has been said. Negotiate.
क्या बांग्लादेशी बोलने में क्या गुनाह है? अरे भाई बांग्लादेशी भी तो इंसान है. अरे दुनिया इतनी बड़ी है, बांग्लादेशी भी यहाँ हो सकते हैं. उसका राइट डिप्राइव कर रहे हैं, उसका राइट डिप्राइव कर रहे हैं. ये एक बहुत ही इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ट्रबलसम एंड एन एक्सट्रीमली mischievous and very detrimental to humanity.
Bangladeshi, it's become a curse word now. It's become a horrendous word now. अगर आ भी गए हैं कुछ बांग्लादेशी, okay, so sit down with them, negotiate with them and bring and escort them back.
Let's negotiate with some people here on the show. Dr. Pullarao joining us, Vivek Srivastav. How will you negotiate with the illegal, sir?
No, बात illegal और legal की नहीं है. We had the problem of Rohingyas in their own country, Burma. The army, their own army was doing atrocities. The majority Buddhist community over there was doing atrocities. They ran over here. फटी हुई लुंगी, फटी हुई बनियान, वो पहन के वो refugees आए थे. खालसा Aid and I went with a few NGOs. बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर पे 4 लाख लोग कैंप थे, खाने को नहीं था कि मेडिसिन दी सिख कम्युनिटी के लोगों ने, एंड दे शोड ह्यूमैनिटेरियन फेस. अगर आप बड़ा देश हैं, आप रिफ्यूजी स्टेटस दीजिए, सिटीजनशिप मत दीजिए, उनके देश से बात करिए, यूनाइटेड नेशंस को इन्वॉल्व करिए और धीरे धीरे करके वापस भेजिए. यही बात सईदा हमीद ने बोली है.
नहीं, नेगोशिएट का क्या मतलब होता है? हाउ डू यू नेगोशिएट? वो बोल रही है, शी इज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. वो बोल रही है उनका हक है, राइट्स, रेफ्यूजी स्टेटस नहीं, दे आर हियर टू स्टे.
has talked of citizenship. आपके अपने resources हैं. Every country in the world has refugees. If you are a developed nation or you are developing and you are a big nation.
What? No. This is not about refugees. These are people who break the law और फिर यहाँ आ जाते हैं and then you want rights. Rights for them. Dr. Pullarao, how should one negotiate with an illegal alien, sir? बताइए.
I think that she has spoken very sensibly this time. You negotiate with them and escort them out, she said. You talk to them, give them incentives.
I am also asking you a sensible question and I expect a sensible answer. How will you negotiate? Do you want to show our viewers? Give us an example. What will be the first few questions?
Don't brutalize them. Don't brutalize them. Talk to them. They may go off. Give them incentives to go off.
Okay, so you ask them that do you want to go off? And if the person says no, then what do you do?
What America is doing, that's what European countries are doing.
America is not negotiating. Look what Trump is doing. Sending back people in chains.
Given an option to voluntarily deport. They're giving them financial assistance.
Oh, financial assistance.
Suggestion.
Okay, so adding another layer, not just negotiation. If negotiation fails, give them the check. आप यहाँ आए, here's a check. Thank you for visiting Incredible India. Nikhil?
So Pranesh, I think Saida Hamid is saying the exact same thing that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was saying when he brought out the Citizenship Amendment Act in 2019. He said that people in Bangladesh are facing persecution by the state there, and therefore we should give them citizenship. This woman is not even talking about.
She is
giving them
talking about
citizenship.
infiltrators, illegal Bangladeshis. The CAA is about a process. That is a law, Nikhil. Now, if you can't make a distinction, then I am sorry. Then only Vivek Srivastava can help you. Ajay Alok, sir, ये नया पॉलिसी बता रही है फॉर्मर मेंबर ऑफ द प्लानिंग कमीशन.
नहीं आप ये समझ लीजिए, you must understand that she was a member of planning commission during the Congress regime. So what kind of policy must be there? And that's why we have so much of problems of infiltrators. Now, please, just for everyone's knowledge, and we all know this, we have refugees in almost most of the countries of the world, and 95% of refugees are always Muslims in non-Muslim countries. Why do they go to Islamic nations? There are 57 Islamic nations. Why do they always go into non-Islamic nations? Have you ever thought of it?
कि वहां पे
This is what you
नेगोशिएशन
call
नहीं होता है, वहां नेगोशिएशन नहीं होता है. If you are caught without the paper, then you know what happens to them. Ratan Sharda ji and Dr. Ranganathan, ज्यादा समय नहीं है, so you know, divide it between both of you.
See, पहले मैं छोटी सी बात कर लूं, विवेक श्रीवास्तव के पोल खोल दो. Khalsa Aid was charged by NIA as channeling foreign funds from pro-Khalistan groups like Sikh for Justice to support India propaganda and elements in India. This is NIA statement. That is his friends. Now coming to the refugees, all these people never had their heart melted when the Hindus were being killed and are continuously being killed in Bangladesh. At that time, there is no humanitarian ground. Not one person will open his mouth. Even today, I will tell you, and they have not opened for the last 1 year. Thousands have been killed, they raped, looted, and they are not humans. Only these are the humans. And Bangladeshi, Buddhadev Bhattacharya, his great friend, Mr. Vivek Srivastava, had lost election because he admitted that there are Muslim majority areas, infiltration has increased the population of the Muslim voters. He lost the election. Your own communist CM, communists never came back to power. So please have some sense, some sense of humanitarian.
Vivek Srivastava is communist by the day, by prime time. ये चेंज हो जाता है इनका स्ट्राइप. अजय आलोक क्या दिखा रहे हैं आप मोबाइल में सर? क्विकली बता दीजिए क्या दिखा रहे थे.
I was just trying to show what happens with the infiltrators when you support infiltrators. Today in Supal, Bihar, where this vote adhikar yatra was going on, in the presence of Rahul Gandhi, in presence of Tejasvi Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi, everyone.
Right.
This what infiltrators did to our national flag.
अब डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, go and negotiate with them.
नहीं देखिए प्रणेश, प्लीज गिव मी अ मिनट बिकॉज आई वांट टू से समथिंग दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अवे फ्रॉम द रेटरिक. Now, I don't know who this lady, the Bari lady, Saida Ahmed, she is welcome to her views, and in a way she is proving Dr. Ambedkar right, that the allegiance of a Muslim lies not with the state where he resides, but to the religion that he belongs. So good luck to her. I mean, that is written for her. She is going to follow her. That is not her fault. I don't fault her at all. यहाँ पे मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन जिससे है मैं उसको फॉल्ट करूंगा और मैं इस गवर्नमेंट को फॉल्ट करना चाहता हूं. Yes, illegal immigration is a very serious issue, but what has this government done in the last 11 years about it? In 2015-16, the government said, Mr. Kiran Rijiju said there are 20 million illegal Bangladeshis in this country. What has happened? In fact, soon after that, 2018, Amit Shah said we have identified 4 million illegal Bangladeshis. You have identified them. You know there are 20 million of them. How many have you sent back? 4,500. Did you know that the UPA fenced more India-Bangladesh border than the NDA, second NDA? तो अपने गिरीबान में झांक के देखें. Forget about these Saids and all those people who are these moderates or extremists or whatever.
Let's get a quick response, but I just want to say that, you know, a group of Muslims also protested against Ms. Hamid and the others, part of the ecosystem. So, but Dr. Ajay Alok, respond to Dr. Ranganathan. Last 30 seconds on the show, sir.
No, there is nothing to respond to Mr. Ranganathan. The figures are there to say. There is no doubt about it. We have been identifying, and let me tell you, since the Operation Sindoor, I belong to Bihar, and I am telling you, the reverse migration has already started in Bihar and also in West Bengal. You have to be a deterrent. We have a porous border. We cannot close the border, but every time a strict vigil needs to be maintained. And at the same time, there are times when Bangladesh refuses to accept them. The Burma refuses to accept them. So we have made detention center all across the country. And you can see what's happening in Delhi, Maharashtra, Chennai, every place. Even in Bihar, we are in the process of making so.
Right. Okay. Dr. Pulla Rao, after the show ends, sir, be ready to negotiate with some illegal aliens. They might come your way. Tayyar rahiyega. And if you think you need help, Vivek Srivastava is always just a call away. Viewers, thank you for watching. Gentlemen, thank you for joining us. The news are on the other side.